Did you know that the hamstring muscle is the most injured muscle in our bodies and it can take up to 2 months to heal? I have been stretching out hamstrings for the past 30 years as a physical therapist by performing this progressive static stretch. You've all seen it done, where I take the patient's leg and I move it into the range. When I feel the stretch, I stop. I hold their foot and I ask them to press down on my shoulder, please. Pull your toes to your face, hold, relax, and then I move their leg into a further range of motion. Many athletes suffer from tight, short hamstring muscles and are more prone to injury, as well as people with hip, knee, and ankle pain or conditions, orthopedic conditions, as well as neurological patients. Patients, they suffer with increased tone and spasticity in their legs, such as cerebral palsy, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and also people with restless leg syndrome. You've all seen the straight leg raise being performed either in the physical therapy office, at the gym, or at the field. And what people do is they do it incorrectly. They usually bend their knee, they point their toes, and sometimes they roll their opposite hip. But now with the progressive leg stretcher, you can't help but do it correctly. The pelvic arch support places your pelvis in an anterior pelvic tilt, providing a superior stretch on the top portion of the hamstring muscle. The knee roller and strap maintains your knee in extension. The foot roller and the foot plate maintains your ankle in a neutral position, so you have to perform the stretch perfectly. The timer on the remote control makes sure that you perform the stretch for 30 seconds, and the goniometer tells you where you initially started your treatment sessions and where you ended. So there's no more guessing if you've made progress or not. You can measure from the beginning of one session to the end, or from one session to 3 weeks later to see and to measure your progress. The progressive leg stretcher performs a progressive static stretch that research has proved time and time again that it will increase your range of motion and your flexibility. It will decrease muscle soreness. It will prevent muscle tendon injuries and low back pain. So order your progressive leg stretcher now.